Hi there, I'm Murray, and this is my friend Healthy Harold. Harold, you are looking rather dapper today. Did you have a shower this morning? Did you brush your teeth? Good. Did you comb your mane? Great, because we have some friends here today to show us how to draw a very special picture using some Artline, Spirax and Texture stationery.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is my son Lachie. Hey Lachie, are you ready to draw a picture with me?
Yeah?
Let's draw a picture of our friend Healthy Harold.
Awesome. I love giraffes.
Okay, Lachie, what do we need?
We need paper, black texture, color texture, pencils.
Great, Lachie. I think we have everything we need. Let's get started.
Okay, let's do it.
First up, Lachie, we're going to draw the nose.
Okay.
Okay. So we get the texture, black texture.
Texture?
We get a big circle in the middle. And then we're going to do two oval shaped nostrils like that.
Yeah.
One there, two there. Then we're going to do a big curvy smiley face down here. That. And then we're going to do another little curve on top. Just like that. Another turn. Oh yeah, that's nice. One. Two. It's a lovely smile. That's good. Now we're going to do this big potato head. Remember that potato shape? Okay. So I'm going to go first. Go up. Out. Out. Up again. Down. Out again. Come back in. Your turn. Lovely. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do, is that the top?
Yeah.
Sounds good. So we're going to do one line here,
Yeah.
a line there.
Yep.
So 3 lines like a box. One, your turn. Oh, that's right, just stop there now. Then we're going to do the other side. One line there, one there, another one like that. There, that's it. And down. Good. Now we're going to do 2 circles on top of the boxes. So one on this side, and then one on that side. Your turn. Very good. Now we're going to do his long neck. Sounds good. We'll start in the corner, down the bottom, his face and his nose. Go straight down. That. And then the other side, the nose and the face. Straight down. Good job. Now we're going to do some of his spots in his neck. One on the side. Then we're going to do one on the side like this. Half a circle. We'll do one in the middle. Big circle. And another half a circle on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Your turn. One big circle. And a big half a circle at the bottom. Very good. Now we're going to do the ears.
Okay.
The top on one side. Start with big harbour bridge. Come back. And out. And up. Your turn. Good. Up and in. Good job. And on the other side, the harbour bridge. Up. Coming up. And in. That's it. Keep going. Good job. Good job. And we're going to do another curved line on the inside of the ear. Do another curved line as well. Very good. To the inside. One curved line. And the second curved line. Very good. Now I'm going to do his eyes.
Yeah.
Sounds good. A big oval shape, like eggs.
Yeah.
One on that side, one on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Start in the middle. On that side, and go to this side. On your tongue. And the other side. Very good. Now we want to do his little eyelashes.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to start at the top of the eye, work your way over, come down, and then flick, come back, flick. Very good. And start the other side, come over, down, flick, and flick. Very nice. Now we'll do the inside of the eye. We've got 2 circles on each side. 1, 2. And we go the other side, same thing. 2 circles, 1 and 2. Good job. Now we're going to do his freckles.
Mm-hmm.
So we do 3 on this side, on the left hand cheek.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3. Your turn. 1,
2, 3.
Good job. Now we'll do 4 over the top of the nose. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it. That looks good. I like it. Going to colouring. Yeah.
Dad, let's color Harold in. Harold, that's my texture.
Ta-da!
Harold, how great do Matt and Lachie's drawings look? You look like a movie star. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Matt and Lachie, to draw a picture of our good mate, Healthy Harold. Now it's over to you at home or at school to draw our friend Harold. Don't forget to ask an adult to share it with us on Facebook or Instagram. #HealthyHarold. Bye!